49 divided by 7 bracket 7 is equal what? Here this 49 divided by this 7, we can change this bracket by multiplication. Here this 7, here 49 divided by this 7 multiplication 7 gives us 49. Here 49 divided by 49 gives us 1, but it is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right. Therefore here 49 divided by this 7. Now I will work with this parenthesis. Here we can write multiplication in lieu of this parenthesis. Here 7. Now we have to work with this division. Here 49 divided by 7 gives us 7. Multiply this 7. 7 multiply 7 gives us 49, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.